Kololo.
Orikura bakitunza bwa Vision Group Jacqueline Taweka nagera nko Harvest Money kozera umurimo muhango bwo kubahati buri yoma misha gatira ubuhingi no burisa. Loli na Tairwe na jango myaka 10 hingwire barebere byo mishuburo biri kutunguko mu ihanga ekiyayegekero mureko gwa Harvest Money Expo.
Succeeds the agriculture sector, succeeds as a whole. So please come 3 days, come and enjoy, come and network, come and build relationships, come and learn from each other, and let's celebrate the 10-year milestone together.
Orukure byivura bwa Vision Group Fiona Tamale yashaba bari kwenda kwetaba more ko gukwijo mbwinji kandi bakacera.
When you come through on the day of the expo, we are using the Protea tent because this year we are at Kololo, not Nambole. So you know the Protea entrance, that's what the exhibitors use, exhibitors and sponsors and our service providers. So please let's stick to this entrance and not cause confusion.
We shall start our deployment on Thursday. As you set up this in the evening, be assured of security.
Orikura African Choice Holdings wakashaba Samuel yajangwa ha murundo gunbaza kurete bintu byo murembe amore kugwa Harvest Money. Yusuf Seruo wa Kibenge Farmers yajangwa nbaza kwereza abantu obukugu omukwingo mwani ebitoke hamwe nebindi bingi. Kintu naso wakasiriye Breeders Mitiana yaraganisa kurete ente z'amatezerukamwe hagati ya ritanshanjwe ikariga na buri zoba.
Ngaffe tudiringira mu nte ez'amata. Tubaniriza okubaawo mu mwoleso guno
era nga ku mulundi guno tubaletedde ebintu ebyenjawulo byemuzenga mulaba ku TV nga tubiraga pampo ezikuba amazzi ebyuma ebifukirira ebyuma ebifuuyira eddagala kuga ebintu byonna omulimi byandibadde yeetaaga okubanga ayanguyirwa okulima tubireese mu birabeko nga bikola.
Bakasitoma baffe bonna abalungi abamanyi unique tituba n'ebintu eby'omulembe ku luno tetuzze kutunda tuzze kuddiza ku bakasitoma baffe tugenda kubaawo ne promotion nga bwogula blender yaffe okuva German tukwerako DSTV yawe so nkunga bana Uganda mwenna mujje mu Harvest Money nga 27
omwere kugwa Vision Group gwa Harvest Money nuguba buri mwaka kandi omwaka oguguru hebira na mushanje kwezoku okutamu no mutwaro no kwega no mutwaro gumwe gonka amakuru agasha kwa Sulaiman Mutebi na Sengendo Abdukarim.